Well, hello everybody. Simon Hudson here from beautiful Squamish, British Columbia with your weekly market roundup for February the 16th, 2 days after Valentine's Day, 2024. Not much going on. There's 13 listings and 14 sales. So what we actually have this time is the number of sales outpacing the number of listings. I think a couple of weeks ago, we talked about the impressive open houses we had with a couple of listings that were pretty interesting. So we thought those might move, and they did. And so those have caused the sales to outpace the listings. Interesting to see what happens over the next 2 weeks, because we could see that go back to normal, which is listings outpacing sales. As the listings that have been coming on haven't been that enticing. They've been okay, but they haven't been spectacular. So let's just sort of have a watch for that and see how it goes. Of the 13 new listings that came on, there were ranges from 429,000 up to 2.4 million. So again, a broad market range of properties coming in. Not much coming up in Brackendale, but around the rest of Squamish, we have a lot of properties coming on the market. The speculation of rate hikes has actually gained some fever after some comments from the Federal Reserve indicating that they might not be having such a great time dealing with inflation either. So now we've got both Canada and the US indicating that inflation is being harder to tame. And as a result, I think that might quash the interest rates going down. So keep that in mind as we go forward. There's no new listings that are especially ones to watch right now. I don't think anything in particular is priced exceptionally well. There is a listing up on Rum and Egg, which is a new home that has sweet potential down. But considering that a really a much nicer property at on Perth was listed and sold in the one under 1.5, that kind of set a new precedent for the Highlands. So it'll be interesting to watch Rum and Egg, but I'm not super excited about it because it's not something that I expect to move too quickly. But we'll see what happens. Total number of listings is 146, which is lower than it has been at the 150 and 156. But again, after Family Day that's coming up this weekend, I would expect to see that creep up. And pretty much that's where we're at. But one of the things that did strike me was looking at the sales price. Now the HPI, the Housing Price Index, has looked like it's starting to roll over a bit, which is an indication that, hey, things might be coming down. Percentage of original sale price is also coming down quite substantially. In fact, we're down below 93.5% of the actual listing price is what people are willing to pay. So that's quite a concern, as if you're a bull in the market, that's something you want to be aware of. And then what we've got, which I will show in a video, I'll do a video this weekend about this, but it's actually a volatility contraction pattern, which is what you see in the stock market before a stock takes a big run to the upside or the downside. And we're getting that in the median sale prices in Squamish. So I will draw that out for you. It'll take me a while to do that, but I will do it for you. And I hope it's something you enjoy watching. But the volatility contraction pattern has quite track record of predicting strong movements to one side or the other. So I'll break that out for you. I don't know which way it's going to go, but and you don't know until the move starts. But anyways, market's pretty stable right now. I think we're going to see a fairly active spring market, and not a bull market by any stretch, but definitely a decent market. So I will keep you guys abreast of how things go. Once again, Simon Hudson. Don't forget to click on the link down below to subscribe, and we'll look forward to chatting with you later. Have a fantastic Family Day long weekend. Bye for now.